Welcome back for part 2 of how to play Farruca. In the last video we told you the differences between low E and high E and the notes we need for today. We looked at how to make different pitch sounds in the last video but didn't go into much detail teaching you how to pluck the strings. So before we jump into the song, I will show you a basic but effective plucking method. It is called apoyando, but it has a nickname of just walking fingers because that describes what you have to do pretty well. So just put your right hand thumb on the low E string and your index finger and middle finger take turns plucking the high E string. To practice, try this. Play high E 4 times. And then put your left hand index finger on the first fret. So play the sound F 4 times. Feel free to pause the video and practice it now. Got the hang of it? Great! Now you're ready to learn the song. Here it is. E, 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 F, E, E. Try it. Awesome! You played that part twice, and then you're ready to go on to the next bit. F, 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 E, 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 E. Well done. And now for the last bit. We need another note for this. Count the frets up to the 12th one and then put your finger down on it like normal. Pluck it as normal as well. Here's a tip. Instead of having to count up every time you need to play it, you can just find it by looking where the neck of the guitar meets the body of the guitar. Here's what you need to finish the song. 12th fret E, 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 12th fret E, 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 12th fret. Got it? When you're playing the actual song, you will play it twice. Awesome! Now you know how to play your very first song on the guitar. Let's hear what it sounds like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.